Hebu sasa tuende Kisumu tusikize mahojiano ya awali ya kiongozi wa wengi katika bunge la kaunti ya Kisumu, Kennedy Onyango, kuhusu swala hilo la kuunda bunge la wananchi.
Yeah, on Tuesday of next week, we are going to introduce the bill that seeks to establish the People's Assembly. And it's a bill that is very important to us, and I want to assure you that our honorable members of the Kisumu County Assembly will pass that bill overwhelmingly. Well, on that day, we shall have our leadership in the county. I want to believe that all our political leadership will be present when the bill will be introduced. Hello. You know, when the Constitution, if you look at Chapter 1 of the Constitution, the people have the sovereign power to govern themselves. And you know, that sovereignty can be delegated to the elected representatives. But in a situation where that sovereignty is abused by the elected representatives, then the people can get it back. And in this respect, the idea of the People's Assembly is going to encompass the governor, the MPs, the MCAs, the religious body, the Law Society of Kenya, all interest groups. So it encompasses nearly all spheres of the society. Yeah. Yeah, in Kisumu, it's going on very well. Actually, if you go, for example, to the Airtel shops, people are literally struggling to get the cards. In some places, the cards are run out of stock. So I believe it's going on very well. And very soon, I believe, you will start seeing panic all over because the people have responded very well to the call to boycott those products.